Gold Coast wreckies. Alright guys, so we're just up here taking the spray booth down. How's it going, Pops?
Yeah, we're getting there, but the things and the sights you get to see and the things you find, guys, check this yard out next door.
There's some beauties in there, just rotting away, unfortunately.
HQ Monaro, by looking down
HQ.
there. HQ just there, rotted away. Two-door. HT further down.
At the front of the yard.
It's like a HK Prem over there.
VH commies.
All sorts of goodies in there.
Got some pretty cool Mercedes up the back too, really old ones.